Well, personally, if you ask me, I feel, you have to be honest in life. You have to be honest to yourself. You have to be practical. You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, try to be, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. So that's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out, but if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period, but it's a tough period that actually make you a better human being.
A lot of times you think it's very complex when it comes to the kind of cricketing career I had. It all boils down to the simplest of things. Like when I started cricket, it was for fun. I used to play tennis ball cricket, and it was mostly for fun. Every day you go, you compete, you learn, you come back. Next day again, 4 o'clock you go. And if you have lost the other day, you want to win that next day. One of the most crucial things throughout was being honest to myself. I never thought that I'll play for the country. Coming from Ranchi, it was not like when you're playing and you look up and you're like, no, I want to play for the Indian cricket team. So it all started as if I wanted to have fun. I wanted to play for my school team. Then I started playing for the school team. What is next? The next became the under-16 district team. Once you play for the district, then state is the next team. So slowly and gradually, you start taking care of the small term goals. Because it's always more interesting, it's in front of you, and you start doing the small things right, you actually see yourself accomplishing those goals, and ultimately you keep tweaking your targets. The most important ingredient, yes, hard work is there, dedication is there, passion is there, but I felt being honest is one of the most important things. To start off being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others.
Magnificent. Dodi finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the post.
For more such updates, please do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.